Hi everyone, tonight we're here at the 20-year celebration of Toni and Guy, an event full of style, glamour and a lot of hair fashion, so stay tuned. Hi Nabila, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How do you feel about the event?
Very happy to come here. I mean, it's very pleasant. The venue is amazing, and Saida is a friend of mine, and I'm here to cheer the girl power.
That's amazing. So tell me, what is your go-to hairstyle? This?
When I don't have time, I just grease everything back, and that's it.
What's your favorite hair tool?
Hair tool would be some wax.
That's nice. What's the best hair advice that you have ever given to somebody?
Keep it trimmed.
We're here with the powerhouse, the iconic Saida Manviwala, the CEO of Toni and Guy. Let's ask her some fun hair questions. Hello Saida, how are you?
I am good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. So Saida, tell me, what is your best hair advice?
So look, my best hair advice is whatever you feel comfortable with. You have to look a way that you want to look like, because if you're not looking like that, you're not going to feel good about yourself.
What's your favorite hairstyling tool?
Oh, I must say, it's not a tool, it's rollers. The old-fashioned Velcro ones that give you lift.
Oh, I love that. Okay, so what one advice would you give to aspiring women entrepreneurs?
I would say, guys, chase your dreams, go after it, punch it, get it, go there.
Let's go. Thank you. I'm with Adil Hussain and we're going to ask him a few fun questions. What's your go-to hairstyle?
Oh God, can I be the worst person to be asked that question? No, I mean whatever works for the day. I have to admit, मैं काफी lazy हूँ अपने upkeep के बारे में. But I like I'm more about the clothes and wearing something comfortable. And I think the hair is the last thing I'm looking at. Perhaps that's why it's a good thing that I'm here.
Yeah. So how do you feel about the event?
I like it. I mean, events like these that are showcasing talent from a bunch of different people, different individuals, it's always very interesting because somebody like me who's only watching it from the outside and perhaps on social media gets to have a more visceral experience about seeing it in action, and I'm excited about that.
We're with the beautiful and bubbly Ikra Aziz. Let's ask her some fun hair questions. Hi Ikra, how are you?
Hi, I'm loving your hair.
Thank you so much. Yours are looking amazing as well. So tell me Ikra, what is the best hair advice you've ever gotten?
Use a good shampoo and do not dye your hair. Keep it original and as they are. If you have curly hair, maintain them. If you have straight hair, don't try to make them curl.
And what is your favorite hair tool?
Hair tool. A straightener because I really like straighten my hair every time.
We're with the gorgeous makeup artist Natasha Ali Lakhani. Speaking of hair, so what's the best hair advice you've ever gotten?
I think to just rest, like not to overdo it. Like I do my hair actually a lot more than I should, but also to rest it, oil it, take care of it, do the treatments. So balance between getting it done and also taking care of it.
What is one advice you would like to give to women about their hair?
One advice is to again take care. I think a lot of people just focus on the styling and not taking care. So even when you go to the salon, it's very important to also hydrate the hair, do treatments that make the hair look nice and luscious. So to keep a balance between styling and taking care.
Hi Palvisha, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What is the best hair advice that someone's ever given to you or you've given to somebody else?
Get your regular haircuts.
That's a good one. If you were to define hair in one word, what would you say?
In one word, I would say, hair is something, you can't define it in one word. It is beauty. Hair is a crown that us women wear, and especially I feel like if your hair is done right, then the makeup doesn't really matter. So that's how important the hair is.
The renowned celebrity hairstylist Binish Pervez. So basically, she's the magician behind all the looks that you guys see on TV. What is the best hair advice you've ever given to some model or celebrity?
Just take care of your hair, nourish them with nice shampoos and conditioners because it means a lot what you're putting in your hair to maintain them. and especially, a good quality shampoo and conditioner and good serum. You just need 3 products and you're sorted.
I'm with Mehreen Ahmed, Head of Retail Banking at Bank Alfala. So Mehreen, what is one financial advice that you would give to women our age?
I think it's very important for women to be independent, financially independent, and that comes from being part of some economic activity. As you know, 50% of Pakistan's population is women, and the sad part, however, is that their participation in the labor force is even lower. So it's very important that we tap on this huge reserve of population that is not currently part of the economic activity. Once economic activity happens, it opens up so many avenues for women, so many opportunities. And I think, in my personal opinion, that is one sure, short way to take Pakistan forward.
We're with Amal Qadri, the iconic fashion stylist. Let's ask her some fun questions. So what's your favorite product?
I use hair wax.
Excellent. Neat. All right, excellent. And what is the best hair advice that you can give to somebody?
Always oil it, always massage. I think that's good for the scalp. So great to do oiling. Yeah.
We're with Shumail Ansari, one of the pioneer designers of Pakistan. How do you feel about the event?
I think it's good that you have a lot of designers now in this country, and we are teaching a lot of people and really building the industry, not just here but internationally as well.
That's nice to know. So what's the best hair advice that you've ever gotten?
The best hair advice is basically to actually, you can come here, to Toni and Guy, and that is a very well done. It's like dyeing your hair. It's the way it is done for shoots also. For designers, how actually models are trained with their hair. So Toni and Guy is a very good thing.
I'm with the iconic Angie Marshall from the Angie Salon and Institute. So what's the best hair advice you've ever given to anybody?
Okay. So don't go against nature. Try and make the most of what God has blessed you with your natural curls or straight hair. But in case if you do want to have a change, then you should look at the health of your hair first and foremost. अगर आप ये समझते हैं कि आपने keratin कराना है या transformation करानी है या perm करवाना है, then since you're going against the natural hair texture, तो फिर आपको उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा care करनी चाहिए. You should go for protein treatments. You should try and put the moisture back जो आप strip कर देते हो अपने बालों से. Also, आपको ऐसे खाने चाहिए, ऐसी आपको nourishment लेनी चाहिए जो आपके बालों को healthy करे.
Brilliant answer. What is your favorite hair tool?
Hair tool. My favorite hair tool is a blow dryer. You can curl with it, you can straighten with it, you can just simply leave your natural curls on by scrunching it, and hair dryer.